This video will demonstrate how to install an em.glaze linked glass roof light. Check the size of the roof light and the external curb to make sure the roof light will fit over the curb without being forced. Position and apply comproband tape to the top of the curb so that it provides continuous seal with tight butt joints wherever tape meets or joins. Position the roof lights on top of the curb. Ensure that the unit is positioned centrally on curb, with an equal gap of at least 10 mm between the outside of the curb and internal face of the drip flange. Install the fixing bolts with washers, and when doing final tightening, ensure the frame is properly aligned. Fit caps to the nuts and bolt heads to finish. Using the included screws, fix the frame to the curb horizontally through the pre-drilled fixing holes. Take care not to over-tighten, and repeat until all sections are in place. Ensure the glass surface of the roof light is clean, and apply a bead of silicone along the top of the glazing bars to create a watertight seal. Position the foam backer rod in between the panes of glass and fill the gap with silicone to meet the level of the glass. The installation is now complete, and the em.glaze linked glass roof light can be given a final clean ready for use.